Happy Friday and welcome to the DIY Designer and welcome to my bedroom. After many, many requests, I am finally doing another 5 Ways to Friday video. I'm so excited. For those of you that have never seen that series, I take one item and I show you 5 completely different ways to wear it so you can really expand out your wardrobe and open your mind to all the different outfits you can create with the things you already own. Today's is some good stuff, let me tell you. There's this brand called SHEIN online, and it's one of those brands that almost seems too good to be true. Like, the clothes are so affordable and the pictures are so cute, and you're like, come on, that's not really what I'm getting in the mail, is it? You're lying to me. But they didn't lie. I picked a ton of stuff. I built out all these really cute outfits. I wanted to create a video that was focusing on skirts for fall. So how to create really cool fall looks featuring skirts. You might have actually been planning on taking some of your skirts and putting them in storage for the winter because you're not gonna wear them anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can take those skirts, style them in these really great, versatile, chic outfits for fall so that you can get more out of your wardrobe. So I'm super stoked. I picked some killer timing for this video release because I did it during SHEIN's Black Friday sale. So those prices I was talking about are like,
what are they like?
Like, I did it exactly the same as the first time. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. 5 Ways to Friday. We're back, baby. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hey.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know. Babe, I'm a danger to myself.
So to me, this look was all about creating that like classically fall look with the rich, warm brown tones. This is such a fall look, such a classic, and looks great on everybody. The denim skirt is amazing, you guys. I cannot recommend this enough. It actually reminds me of that brand Madewell with the big, great copper buttons. And the jacket actually has a lot of stretch to it. So even though I had it layered over this big chunky sweater, I didn't feel like a sausage. Like, I felt comfortable, lightweight, relaxed, and you can take it off and just wear the sweater or even just drape it over your shoulders as like an accessory.
To mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling. Down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know. Babe, I am fading unfelt.
All right, this is obviously like a really fun, wild 90s grunge look, which is so me and I'm so into it. These boots, I cannot get over how affordable they were. I've been wearing them like crazy and they're super comfortable and they go with everything. This fuzzy pink 90s neon sweater, oh my gosh, high-waisted Levi's. I've worn them with velvet pants. Really fun. And the flirty skirt, obviously you saw, it can easily be converted into something much more classic with just like a simple top and a pair of pumps. But either way, pairing all of these unexpected pieces together is really fun and allows you to show your personality in your way.
You said I was a piece of art. You decided to paint my heart. But you colored it gray, then you put it in a frame. Hung it beside other house gray as mine. Oh, I should've known. Should've let you go. Oh, I should've known.
So this velvet skirt is like the most luscious, gorgeous, stretchy skirt ever. I wore it on set in a much more traditional way with like a simple black tank and a big statement necklace, and I got a ton of compliments. I thought it would be really fun to show you guys a different way with a pair of chunky sneakers, which is a huge trend right now. Big sneakers with a more feminine skirt is a total trend, and it's so easy to pull off. I took this really great artsy t-shirt, threw on a blazer, my hair in a bun, and these fantastic flat frame glasses, which I've been wearing like crazy, and I was good to go. So the thing I love so much about this look is that it's up to you how crazy you want to go. I love having fun with fashion, so for me, adding on the beret and the belt bag and even throwing that coat was really fun because it let me show my personality. But you could have stopped with just the top, the skirt, and the boots. This is a great classic fall look, and a top like this, I cannot recommend it enough. First of all, it was only a few bucks, but secondly, wearing a black tank underneath it will make it really versatile. You can put it under a dress if you want, or wear it like I am here. All of the pieces can be swapped and layered. Again, look, I can just take off the hat and it completely transforms the look.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intention. You're gonna ruin my reputation, I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation, I'm not gonna hide. You go free, I love everything will be, 'cause you're gonna ruin my reputation.
Right, so for our last look, I really wanted something that was like super feminine that I could imagine maybe on a date night or for like a girls' brunch. You would think that the polka dot on polka dot would not work, but I gotta say, it works so beautifully. It almost looks like this was actually one dress because it balances really nicely. The earrings, this sort of pearlescent metallic red pop, gives the outfit a little bit of much needed color. You could totally add on a bold lip if you wanted. But again, I mean, I think the earrings were like $3. These amazing glasses were like $6. And this skirt has such great stretch. It was super flattering on. Like I felt really sexy and confident in this entire look.
My love, I lose my head because of you.